In a world where every drop matters, choosing the best oil sprayer for cooking isn't just about convenience, it's about control, health, and elevating everyday meals into mindful creations. The right sprayer transforms how you cook, helping you reduce excess oil while enhancing flavor, making every dish lighter, smarter, and perfectly balanced without compromising the joy of cooking. There are many best oil sprayer for cooking to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best oil sprayer for cooking from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The OLIVIA Signature Oil Sprayer for Cooking is a premium, original kitchen essential designed to deliver precise oil control with every use, featuring an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle that produces a consistent ultrafine mist for even coverage, while each full stroke releases approximately 1 gram of oil to help manage calorie intake and support healthier cooking habits without sacrificing flavor. And its built-in filter system prevents clogging, while the leak-proof anti-drip trigger and secure buckle design ensure mess-free operation and safe portability for both indoor cooking and outdoor activities like BBQs and picnics. Crafted from high-quality durable glass, this stylish and sturdy oil sprayer offers long-lasting performance and a refined look that complements any kitchen countertop, while its ergonomic handle allows effortless spraying and the wide mouth opening makes refilling quick and convenient. And with versatile compatibility for various liquids including olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, wine and more, it adapts seamlessly to frying, grilling, baking, salad dressing, and air frying needs. And although opinions on price may vary, many users appreciate its superior spray performance, elegant design, and ability to reduce oil usage, making it a reliable and efficient tool for everyday cooking and beyond. Number 2. The CXINYI 16 ounces per 470 milliliters olive oil dispenser for kitchen is a thoughtfully designed 2-in-1 solution that combines the convenience of an oil sprayer and a pour bottle in one sleek, space-saving design, making it an essential tool for modern cooking as it allows you to switch effortlessly between a fine mist for light coating and a steady stream for precise pouring, helping you maintain control and reduce mess during food preparation, while its deep green glass construction not only adds an elegant touch to your kitchen but also protects your oil from harmful light exposure to preserve freshness, flavor, and quality over time. And the included set of 8 waterproof labels, featuring 6 pre-printed options and 2 customizable blanks, makes it easy to organize different oils while enhancing countertop aesthetics. Crafted for everyday practicality, this dispenser is easy to handle, refill, and clean with a detachable lid. And although some users mention minor concerns with the plastic top and occasional leakage, many appreciate its solid glass build, efficient performance, and excellent value, especially as it eliminates the need for aerosol sprays, all backed by a lifetime quality assurance that ensures dependable use and long-term satisfaction in any kitchen setting. Number 3. The YARRAMATE 16 ounces per 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen essential designed to simplify cooking while promoting healthier oil usage, featuring a dual-function design that allows you to effortlessly switch between spraying a fine, even mist and pouring a steady stream, making it perfect for a variety of tasks such as salad dressing, grilling, roasting, and griddle cooking while keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Crafted from premium food-grade BPA-free PP material combined with thick, durable, lead-free glass, this sprayer ensures safety and long-lasting use, while the transparent body lets you easily monitor oil levels at a glance for better control and convenience. And with a generous 470 milliliters capacity along with a wide mouth opening, refilling is quick, clean, and spill-free, reducing the need for frequent top-ups. Each spray dispenses approximately 0.2 grams of oil, helping you manage portions and reduce excess consumption, while the smart front-facing nozzle and ergonomic rear handle design ensure a comfortable grip and mess-free operation without dirtying your hands. And although some users mention mixed experiences with spray consistency and durability, many appreciate its affordability, ease of use, and practical performance, all backed by lifetime assurance for added confidence in everyday cooking. Number 4. The PLAPITATE 17 ounces per 500 milliliters premium olive oil sprayer for cooking is a smart, multifunctional kitchen essential designed to make cooking healthier, cleaner, and more efficient with its innovative 2-in-1 spray and pour functionality that allows you to switch effortlessly between a fine mist and a steady stream depending on your needs. While each controlled press releases approximately 0.5 g of oil to help reduce excess calorie intake and promote balanced cooking without sacrificing flavor. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, this BPA-free, thick, and shatter-resistant bottle ensures durability and safety, while its transparent body with measurement markings makes portion control simple and precise. And the built-in food-grade stainless steel filter prevents clogging, while the anti-drip nozzle with return hole keeps your kitchen mess-free, complemented by a convenient one-hand lid design for quick and easy refilling, making it ideal for everything from air frying and grilling to baking and salad dressing. And although some users mention minor leakage or durability concerns, many appreciate its sleek design, ease of use, and reliable performance across various cooking oils, making it a valuable, cost-effective tool backed by lifetime support that enhances everyday cooking with convenience, precision, and versatility. Number 5. The TrendPlain 16 ounces per 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer for cooking is a stylish and practical addition to any modern kitchen, designed to deliver both convenience and precision with every use. Featuring a dual dispensing system, it allows you to effortlessly switch between a fine mist spray and a steady pour, giving you complete control over how much oil you use while cooking, grilling, or air frying. The precision nozzle ensures even coverage, dispensing just 0.15 g of oil per spray to help reduce excess intake and support healthier meal preparation without sacrificing flavor. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free glass, this durable, odorless, and heat-resistant bottle feels sturdy in hand while maintaining a clean and elegant look on your countertop. Its wide opening makes refilling quick and mess-free, while the easy flip-top design eliminates the hassle of constant unscrewing. Users appreciate how it helps reduce oil consumption while providing clear visibility of remaining contents, unlike dark bottles. Backed by lifetime assurance and responsive support, this oil sprayer offers long-term reliability, making it a smart, efficient, and user-friendly tool that enhances everyday cooking experiences. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.